13:30 GMT. On this frequency will be a special transmission celebrating 80 years of broadcasting from the Woofferton transmitter station.
This is Woofferton at 80, a special transmission by Encompass Digital Media, celebrating the 80th anniversary of Woofferton transmitting station. Hello, and wherever you're listening in the world, welcome to this very special program, marking the 80th anniversary of the first shortwave transmission from Woofferton. We're broadcasting on 17785 kHz to Europe, North Africa and the Middle East, on 15245 kHz to North America, and in DRM, digital radio to Europe and beyond, on 11725 kHz. And keep listening, because a little later, I'll be telling you how you can send us your reception list. One lucky listener will be winning a very special piece of Woofferton memorabilia. It was 80 years ago today, on October the 17th, 1943, that Woofferton transmitted its first BBC programme. It is now the last remaining shortwave broadcasting station in the United Kingdom, located a few miles south of London, in the English county of Shropshire. In this special programme, we'll be hearing from some of the station's staff, both present and past, and finding out more about the station's long history, the technology and engineering that makes it all work, and what the future holds too. But first, here's Dave Wilson, a former senior engineer at Woofferton, to tell us more about the glorious history of Woofferton transmitting station.
This is a station formerly known as Aussie 10. Aussie Overseas Station Extension number 10. And it was built in 1943. And was the last one of the Aussie stations to be built. You may well be wondering where the rest of them were. Well, Aussie 1 and 2 was an extension at Daventry in 1938. The east end and the west end of the main building. They got a small station there in 1933, but they extended it then at the beginning of the war, just before the war. Aussie 3 was very much in the wartime. It was signed pre-war, and that was at Rampersham in Dorset. And had 6 Marconi transmitters in there. Correction, 4 Marconi 100 kilowatt transmitters in there. I can't remember where that one was, but it was probably medium wave. Aussie 5 was an extremely large station, built at Oxford near Hull. Had 4 200 kilowatt medium wave or long wave transmitters, so were rate changeable. And the idea was to run 4 of them, 200 kilowatts each on long wave and 1 on medium wave of about 100 kilowatts. That was Aussie 5, and that was broadcasting straight to the third wide across the sea. The long wave activity. The extension of Droitwich, built early war 1941, and had 2 200 kilowatt medium wave transmitters, and that was the first following the post-start constant start point and also horizontal polarisation on medium wave. So that was Aussie 6. Aussie 7 was probably lived in the garden, originally shortwave attached, and then came Aussie 8 and 9. That was Skelton in Cumberland with 6 Marconi 100 kilowatt shortwave transmitters in Aussie 8, and Aussie 9 had 6 ST&C transmitters. Unusual design in that they could run both. You could run the transmitters such that they've both got 2 outputs, so you've got 12 possible frequencies running out of there. The only proviso was that if you were running on dual channel, as it was called, you had to have the same modulation on each of the channels at the same time. So there's a common modulator in 2 RF sections, about 100 kilowatts from that one. So that was Aussie 9. Aussie 10, this one was the last one, very much the run for the litter really. It was a lease blend type thing from the States. The transmitters came in imported American RCA 50 kilowatt unit, MI7330, the type number. So it was different to all the transmitters the BBC had before in that they were all air cooled for shortwave, no crypt here, no way of putting waterworks below the senders, because the water table is about 300 millimetres below the floor. So you couldn't dig out great rooms to put pumps and Tungsten. So these were air-cooled cylinders, 54 watts, sent across on lease men by the Americans. 6 of them, and they were all cylinders 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. The antennas were erected outside between masts, wire antennas, and they were based on the 100 kilowatt design that was first knocked out of Daventry. So nothing revolutionary on the antennas, they were all well proven.